Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is the Century pre-filled punching bag. It's a standing punching bag, and this is made for adults. And as you can see, my son, who's taking karate, he is having a good time just pounding on this thing. So it takes a lot of abuse. It's soft when you hit it. I mean, it's not too soft, but it feels good when you hit it. Up on the top right there, you got some straps if you ever want to put this down on the ground or whatever. And then down below, this part right here has some straps. And when I had to carry that downstairs, it was heavy. I don't know how many pounds that is, but it was pretty heavy. So you can see that it's standing in place. We're really liking it. We use this all the time. I'm practicing my Taekwondo on it. He's doing his karate. And just fun it. And when you're done using it, you can always put it in the corner of a room. So I really like Century products. They've held up. I'm going to put a little whack into it. Wah, wah, wah. As you can see, I'm going to be hitting it, and that is not falling over. It's staying up really good. Another thing I like about it on this one is that when you're kicking low, you're not going to hurt your foot like on some plastic piece that some of these standing punching bags have. So you can kick it low, kick it high, whatever you want to. So yeah, we're loving it. So this is the I think it's the VS1 Century punching bag. Yeah. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you check out my other videos on here. And like always, a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.